This is the best roasted chicken guaranteed. It is juicy, flavorful, and pretty easy to make. I start off by taking my herbed butter, the recipe for that is in the comments, and spread it under the chicken skin before stuffing the cavity with lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs. Today I decided on using rosemary, sage, and thyme. For the chicken skin, I place a little bit of olive oil on top along with some spices. These are the same spices that I use in the butter. I go ahead and rub that in really well. For my vegetables, I decided on a mix of red and yellow potatoes, carrots, onions. Give it a little drizzle of olive oil before seasoning them as well. You can use whatever seasoning you like, but today I decided on using Vegeta. It's just a lot easier sometimes. I give it a little mix before adding in some chicken stock. I would say about a cup to a cup and a half should be fine depending on your roasting dish. I pop my chicken on top and roast it at 350 degrees for about 2.5 hours. So good.